What's up, YouTube? This your boy Ninja Rider. You already know. So this right here is a how-to video on how to change these little daytime running lights, aka the parking lights. Pretty simple. It takes about literally like 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Got the 2013 Kawasaki zx6r. Need to be washed again. But yeah, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. See where that red and yellow wire at? You just simply, well, I took off the plastics right here. You know, with your standard little Allen wrench or whatever. Took out the plastics right here just so I could reach it. But you pull that out. You gonna seem like you're gonna pull the wires out, but you're not. Trust me. And don't use pliers. Your fingers should be good enough. Just tug on it, and it should come right out. And I already installed that one. Let me show you. Looks pretty. That's the stop. That one look pretty clean. If your light don't come on right away, then just simply take the LED back out, just flip it on the other side, and it should cut right on. So yeah, that's all it is to it. I'm about to get ready to install the other one. Oh yeah, by the way, this is what it looks like. I think you could buy like a 6-pack from Amazon for about $9-10. But this is what it actually looks like.
And by the way, that's a
just simple
194 bulb. I know I didn't mention it.
A little bit of hint of red on it.
Yeah, that's a 194 bulb. The high beams is 8.7, and then the low beams is 8.7
so yeah,
as well.
Just get you a little cheap little Dollar Tree Allen wrench. I'm gonna take out your plastics. These shits can be a pain in the ass, but yeah. I mean, if you got small enough hands, you could probably take out the plastics without, take out the bulb without removing the plastics, but my hand's pretty fat, so. So yeah, man, this just real quick, easy, man. I actually didn't buy the LED bulbs. Somebody actually gave them to me. They're pretty cheap though. Like I said, you can probably get like a 6 or 10 pack for like $10, and they should last for a while. It's just how you do it. Hear that dog like it's fucking up a cat over there. Once again, I'm not sure how you do it on any other motorcycle, which I'm pretty sure is somewhat the same with all these Japanese bikes. I think the 2012 and under models, they got a little gray plastic tab that you just slide right out. The only difference is we got like some type of rubber seal that you just simply pull out. So damn, this shit want to be a bitch. Probably because I done took this shit out so much. Alright, so again, you just take your plastics off. Might gotta bend it a little bit. Simple. And once again, this is where you see that red and yellow wire. I don't know if you can see it, it's right here. Just pull that out. And once again, it's gonna feel like it's gonna break, but trust me, it's not. And once again, don't use pliers because you might bend the housing. Just take a little tug. See, it's the stock bulb, and you just pull this one out. You want to check it before you put it back in there. Make sure you got it on the right side or whatever. Should cut on as soon as you cut on the initial. So right, see right there, I got it on the wrong side, so just simply flip it around. There you go. You put it back in the same way. And voila! There you have it. Make sure this other one was pushed in pretty snug. And this is actually how it look. You don't look very bright right now, but it's gonna be a beast when it's time to especially at nighttime, it's gonna look like a beast coming at you. There you have it. That's how you install a little LED parking light. 2013 zx6r. Drop a like in the like box. Subscribe to your boy right now. If you don't, I still fuck with you.